Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. When you see myself and Finance Minister Favour Williams in the same room, you know something big is going to happen. And that was the quote from Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Mick Aubin-Hill, yesterday when he made these comments to the filled to capacity room of small business owners yesterday at the Exim Bank conference room, who came to hear how government plans to make access to government contracts easier. In fact, the room held the major players of the business ecosystem, who came out yesterday to the call of Garnet Reed, president of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, Milverton Reynolds, chairman of the Public Procurement Commission, PPC, Mrs. Nadia Morris, executive director of the PPC, Dr. David Lowe, managing director of the Development Bank of Jamaica, Errol Barnaby, the acting CEO of the Exim Bank, and Sansia Bennett Templar, MIC permanent secretary, came out to throw their weight behind the SBAJ's drive for government contracts. Finance Minister Favour Williams said that currently only 1% of government contracts goes to the micro sector of the business community, and that is going to change.
Today's meeting is about more than procurement rules and administrative procedures. It is about opportunity. You hear me?
Yes.
Opportunity. It is about growth. And it is about ensuring that more Jamaican businesses, especially our micro and small enterprises, are able to participate meaningfully in government contracting.
Both ministers gave their commitment to ensuring that the systems become smoother and easier for small business owners to access government contracts worth billions of dollars. For the trading period of March 26, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,057,618 units, representing 15.28% of market sales activities. Supreme Ventures Limited with 3,726,863 units, representing 14.03% of market sales activity. Kingston Wharves Limited with 2,002,746 units, representing 7.54% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, gaming, and logistics play, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for March 26, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.94 and buying at $157.10. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $5.73 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $109.79 and was bought for $115.52. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of 75 cents in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $211.13 and was bought for $211.88. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, we still don't talk enough about the financial side of menopause, and that silence is costly. There's also a hard truth we need to acknowledge. Many women enter menopause financially exposed, and the women who navigate it best financially are often the ones who built options, access, and flexibility before they needed it. The credit report may be invisible in this conversation, but it has the power to quietly carry you through it. And this is where the conversation needs to evolve. Menopause is not just a health event, it's a financial risk period. And like any risk period, it requires preparation, structure, and tools. One of the most underutilized tools, your credit profile. Not just your score, but the full architecture behind it. Payment history, credit utilization, available limits, diversity of accounts, access to affordable capital. Why does this matter during menopause? Because this phase often introduces unpredictability, unpredictable energy, unpredictable focus, and sometimes unpredictable income or productivity. And unpredictability requires flexibility. And that is what a strong credit position gives you. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.